Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use smart polling rate switcher on your Viper V4 Pro. So as you guys can see, we are in the menu of the Razer Synapse. This is what we're doing here. We're going to click on our Razer Viper V4 Pro and we're going to go over to the performance. Now here we got the wired polling rate, and the smart polling rate switcher, what it will do is if it detects a game that's running in the full screen, then it will change the polling rate to the value that we've inserted right here. So for example, right now we are not in a game and it's using 1000 Hertz. But if we open up a game in a full screen mode, then it will switch to 8000. So it gives us the best performance for gaming and the normal performance while just browsing the PC. So that's how you guys can easily use the smart polling rate switcher for your mouse. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.